to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this shapes filling up video on CapCut PC. So let me just add this white background, and I'm also going to add this yellow shape on top. I'm also just going to do the 1:1 frame ratio, and I'm just going to adjust that, go to mask, and I'm going to select the star shape. You can choose any shape that you want. I'm just going to also enlarge this, and I'm going to make it so that it's kind of the same size. Right click on the overlay one, create compound clip, and then select horizontal, and I'm just going to rotate that 180 degrees. Add a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end you're going to want to get this line and drag it all the way up. You can also feather it out if you want it to be a little bit better. I'm also going to maybe adjust the size so it's a little bit smaller, like here. Okay, compound clip. Again, go to the horizontal one and rotate it 180 degrees. And I'm going to feather it out here. Add a keyframe there and just drag it all the way up so it looks a little bit smoother. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.